Thank you. Arigato.
Si Kuya talaga. Siya talaga hindi umiinom. Inom.
Ang sarap. Alam ba nakakagaling to ng sakit?
Talaga?
Ano?
Sino may sabi sa'yo?
Kaya yung mga...
Sakay. Sakay. Yan po natin magagawa.
While strolling Japan, we saw Andre in the house.
Walang uwan ka naman.
So I can see your boys, kulang na lang sila walking.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, wag kang gamot. 1, 2, 3, wag kang gamot. 1, 2, 3, wag kang gamot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, one more time, wag kang gamot. One more time now. 1, 2, 3, wag kang gamot. One more time now. 1, 2, 3, wag kang gamot. All right. 1, 2, 3, wag kang gamot. All right.
Hello guys. SRL. Hello. Going to Japan.
Japan.
Ni hao ma. China. Sarang habida. Korea. Konnichiwa Japan. So ayan po kami. Travel. Kain. Hello guys, we're here at ano na?
Immigration.
No, it's not that. Ano lang yan, pipila pa lang natin yung...
Departure card.
Yeah.
Station. Charge card.
Alin? Oh, pero okay din yun, mas maganda yun. So yan, we're going to Singapore. No, not Singapore, Japan. Bye-bye. Hello guys. Good morning. We're here at Tokyo Narita Airport. So meron tayong makeup tutorial mamaya. Charot. So hintay lang po namin yung ano. Landed at Japan for the second time around. Yan, hello guys. Good morning. So ayan po. Hindi naman. Ayan po si Pergy ng Black Eyed Peas dati.
MTV na!
Kaya aka J-Lo. So ngayon po ang tinatahak naming landas ay comfort room. Nasi-CR po kami dahil
Maganda sa Canesa.
neda ba tayo last time?
Oh, last na.
Anyways. Very nice. So we've been there last time. So welcome to Japan.
Kawasaki. Japan Kawasaki.
Hello, Japan. Konnichiwa. So this is it. We're bringing our luggage just now in the car. So we're going to the parking lot. So malamig. Parang nasa Baguio. Pero medyo masarap. Siyan yung MN. We're going to eat na. We're hungry. Hello guys, we're going to eat now at a Japanese restaurant. I don't know what's the name, but as you can see, it's a moving sashimi. There you have it, as you can see. Yeah. This is our first meal for the day here in Narita. So, you can see everything is having fun. Mukit na.
Hindi siya taong 20 gig, consumable, mabilis. Pero pag nag-exceed ka ng 20 gig, meron pa rin, pero mag-agal.
Bagal. Yan po ang dahil arrived from Manila. Just arrived lunchtime. So ito po yung kanilang kinain. The Three Marias crab. So how is it? JR?
Delicious.
And? Oishi. Shot. One.
Wagi, hey. Wagi.
Okay.
Where is that cake? Sa akin may frozen banana on top. Pero
So ayan po yung pinipili namin kainin. And all of a sudden, we don't even realize na we're eating this, all of this. Ayan. Ito po yung mga winners.
Tikman mo to.
So ayan po, oh, see? Yan po kami yan. Yan
Wala
po
ng
kami.
banana. Pineapple sila sa top.
Yan sila sa other side. Tignan mo yung tower namin, ang laki. Hello guys!
Hello! 代々木上原水21 OI3 のフレプレゼン情報小田急ライン千代田サプライン
Supply.
小田急線千代田線がお乗り換えください北安行きお乗り換えです北安行き北安ライン
Thank you. Arigato.
Si Kuya talaga. Siya talagang di umiinom. Inom ka?
Ang sarap. Alam ba nakakagaling ko yung sakit?
Talaga? Sino may sabi sa'yo?
Kaya yung mga...
Sakay. Sakay. Gapo natin mga lang.
Hello guys! Once again, we're traveling the district of Ayesha. This is the Ayesha station. So, sa APA Hotel kami nagstay. Tapos ito na yung walking distance lang sa train station. May mga may department store din daw dito, tsaka may Daiso. But the problem is we don't have. Wala kaming ganito. No? We're empty-handed. So tatawad na. Tatawid kami sa ayan. Ayan na, Ayesha Station. Ayesha Station. 24 hours yan. Ayan, doon kami nagstay sa APA Hotel. Just across the metro station. So, ito yung Family Mart na favorite namin. Bye-bye! Hello guys! And now, naka-sweatshirt lang ako, di ba? Kapal ang mukha. Pero it's cold, freezing cold here. Tama silang mga full pack jacket. Well, me, I know, I'm used to it, you know. When you're born in a very cold weather country, you're going to used to it, you know. Yeah. Yan! See? This is only what I'm wearing. Only a sweatshirt with no shirt. But it's freezing cold talaga. Yan. Wow. It's a crow.
It's a crow.
Then we're going to, I don't know kung saan kami pupunta. And have a nice day, guys. Hello, Christian everyone. After ilang hours namin mag-travel from Narita to Tokyo. Sobrang traffic po. Traffic po sa atin. Pero mabilis naman po, pero moving naman po. We're going next one.
Nandito na kami sa Kappa Hotel.
Teka ko. Hi, Karag. Kamusta? Sobrang lamig po dito, Baguio lang. Sarap po. Connect ka na lang sa lobby. Ote. Yan silang ute.
Pwede na dito na lang. Pwede po bukas pa yata ngayon hanggang 9. Ang mood. Ang mga ano dyan. Hanggang hanggang umaga naman yan dyan eh. Hanggang umaga. 24 hours.
24 hours.
Yung mga 7-Eleven kainan.
Hindi na.
9 to 10 ang 10.
This is... Igiliran lang. Igiliran lang. Iwan. So, ganyan lang ang peg namin. Ay, may flashlight. Yan.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Passport naman.
That, yung passport ko lang nasa iyo, ha?
Lahat daw ng passport niya. Copy daw. Copy daw yung passport niya.
Yung passport ko sa'yo nasa iyo, ha? Siya ba ang dahilan? Beautiful, oh.
I-check yung
Hi, Gian. Nag-cramp ka dun sa pwesto mo. Sarap nga, hindi malamig na malamig. Isakto lang. Freezing cold. Tawag ko na palang gray hair. Have a nice day po. Hello guys, good afternoon. And it's freezing cold here with Ate Ai. Hi Ate Ai. Thank you for accommodating us. With Vanessa on the back. Together with my sister with a heavy bag. Sabi ko nga unload na eh. Ang bigat ng bag niya. So we're here at the Sky Tower. Sky Tower. In Tokyo. So ang ginaw, grabe. As if. We're now here at Sumida Aquarium Center. As you can see, yan. Yan. Ikot lang. Together with my niece. Maganda. Hello guys, we're 7 degrees ang temperature. We're eating ice cream.
And
Oo nga, sarap niya.
only 50 pesos, super yummy. Matcha.
Hello guys, with freezing temperature, we're eating ice cream kaya we're shaking. Kasing grabe. Ang sarap niya. 50 pesos lang ang sarap.